Do you know, if you download Mary Brown app and go to the Mary Brown app and register yourself with your phone number, they will give you OTP. Then fill the form and you will get lots of deals, cheap deals. If you go to the My Reward section, you can clearly see for new members there is a free chicken. You need to go to the store and scan this QR code. I went to the store and I got my free chicken. I wanted something else also, so I got all together in very cheap price. Enjoy Mary Brown, enjoy your free chicken.